created a project in Microsoft MakeCode for Microbit or Minecraft and saved a PXT file. These contain block-based programming projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and edit these Microsoft MakeCode project files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical PXT data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A PXT file is a project created with Microsoft MakeCode, a block-based coding editor for learning programming with physical devices like the micro.bit. Users, typically students and educators, create these files to save their code, which can control LEDs, sensors, and motors on the target hardware. The PXT file is a JSON-based container. It stores the project's source code in TypeScript or blocks, dependencies, and configuration settings in a structured text format. This design facilitates easy sharing, version control, and parsing by the web-based MakeCode editor for compilation and deployment. Your first application to test with PXT should be Microsoft MakeCode from Microsoft Corporation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows treats them as text by default, so interpretation is handled by the right runtime. Open the menu by right-clicking your PXT file and choosing Open With. Try Microsoft MakeCode first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. When your PXT file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, opening in MakeCode Editor. Visit the appropriate MakeCode Editor website at makecode.microbit.org, makecode.minecraft.com, or the relevant platform site. Use the import function to load the PXT file from your computer. The editor opens the project displaying blocks and code for editing, testing, and downloading to your target device. Next, extracting contents. Rename the PXT file extension to zip and extract using any archive tool to view the project contents. Inside, you'll find main.ts, JavaScript code, main.blocks, visual block representation, PXT, JSON, configuration, and any assets. This allows manual inspection and modification of project files outside the editor. Finally, sharing projects. Within the MakeCode editor, use the Share button to generate a URL or QR code for sharing your project. Alternatively, download the project as a PXT file and share the file directly with collaborators. Recipients can import the PXT file or visit the Share URL to access the project for further development. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.